Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3 in our series of LEGO Creator 3-in-1. So you've seen us build what was the first one we did? A drone. And then in part 2, you saw us build a boat.
And then part 3, you're seeing us build a plane.
Part 3, we're going to do the airplane. And what's on the top?
What? A Minecraft bed, a skeleton, and man with a sword. And
He's just completely random.
And this guy.
And he's even more random.
Yeah.
He's like a spider, ninja, bat, ninjago.
What even is this? And a skeleton with an enchanted bow and a weird face. And a bed with a garbage can on it.
Well, that's convenient.
That is way not
How many times are you in bed and you have a snack or you're blowing your nose or you wish you had a garbage can? If you had a garbage can in your bed, bam, right there.
Yeah, but the Ender Dragon needs some swords on his head.
Okay. Well, what do you say we get going with he's not part of this.
Yeah.
So when we disassembled,
stop.
I don't remember seeing that part. There it is. We had to disassemble everything, guys, so now, whoa. Flying webs.
A web is going round in circles. It's just pulling my hand around. I'm not moving it. Pulling my hand around in circles.
Okay.
And now it stopped. Yay. Now I can find it.
Much easier to work without a web flying in your face.
And it's much easier to work when you don't have a web pulling your hand around. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Are you gonna come back in this video, or
Yeah.
are you just gonna talk from across the room so it looks like I'm sitting here by myself?
I'm going to come back.
Oh, okay. So guys, Declan will be back shortly. He's just on the floor
Just fixing something.
fixing something apparently.
And now I'm back.
All right, we so missed you. And while Declan was away, I am well underway with the plane. Sort of.
And here we go. Look at the Ender Dragon now. Choom, boom, boom. That is very scary.
The Ender Dragon is very scary.
Yeah. Sword and an axe. Right on his head. That should not be good. And I'm leaving again.
Okay, and Declan is going off screen again.
And now I think I fixed
Because I think we just didn't have enough playtime today. Is that what it is? We didn't have enough time to play with our Legos? No? You're just trying to create something?
No. Just trying to fix Aquaman with a blonde hair. He saw a Aquaman set. He did not come with a blonde hair.
Well, I don't know if anyone saw our Aquaman set, because I don't think we were making videos when we did that Aquaman set. Do you remember where you got that Aquaman set?
No.
No, you don't remember?
The totally one? That one where the guy could fly?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Where did you get it?
That was from Christmas. The one with the guy that could fly. Oh, that one was from Christmas.
The one with the guy that could fly.
Oh, I'll show you guys the guy that can fly. This guy. This guy. This set.
Oh,
I got
that
from
set. Okay.
Christmas.
Yes. That's it. You did get from Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally, he doesn't fly now. Oh! He did a backflip. I'm so surprised. He did a backflip. He did a backflip. Oh.
And Declan's way off screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this is giving me a very hard time.
And if you want to see something when I return,
Well, Declan's going to show you something when he returns.
do you want to see something
I don't know what it could
cool?
be. What could it be?
TNT!
TNT.
That's what I bring back. We have a ton of these. Except for the Lego, even though they look like real ones.
Yeah.
Lego. It's just Lego.
Just Lego TNT? Not real TNT, right?
No, it's not real. But look! A Lego character can hold it. That's why it's Lego. And it also doesn't explode because it's Lego.
I don't remember Aquaman ever using TNT.
Hey! Okay. I just do that.
Yeah, that really went flying.
But here again, I have to go away.
You have to go away.
There's Aquaman.
What are you going away for this time?
I need to fix Aquaman first. This time it's going to be really good than TNT.
Really better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Than TNT. What can be better than TNT?
Have you ever seen Aquaman using hover packs?
No, I haven't seen Aquaman using hover packs.
This is what hover packs are. You put them on your feet and you hold the bumps of them, and then you can do this. And you can also catch people,
Yeah.
and they're stuck, and you can throw. You can like twist sideways, and the person will come off and really get hurt. And Aquaman's now going back on our table of Lego. And here we go. Here's our first boat that we tried out.
This was one of our free build boats. That's what that was.
And this is completely a fail.
Was it completely a fail?
Yeah, because...
Not as much of a fail as this airplane is for some reason.
Yeah, but like no one can go in this tiny little thing. Not even a Lego person can go in here. So that was completely a fail. But if we take off this and I'll be right back in a second.
And he's gone again.
And I'm back again.
And he's back again. Okay. Well, Declan was gone.
For like 1
The
second.
plane definitely took even less pieces than the
The
boat.
boat.
So, but here is a version of the plane because something still doesn't seem right because the propellers can't actually turn without hitting the plane, which in real life, if the propellers were to hit the plane, well, you wouldn't make it off the ground. So, I don't know what went wrong.
It will
with that
explode. And it will explode the propellers.
Unless these are supposed to go, yeah, this whole thing is an epic fail. I really read something wrong in the instructions somewhere. But if we do this with a slight modification, if we do that, then propellers turn and it works. So hopefully Declan's coming back sometime soon. But for now, we have now completed our Lego 3-in-1 Creator Kit. If you're going to try and do one of these yourself, I highly recommend you have a Lego lifter handy. You can buy them individually, or we've got a few of them that we got in kits that we've had. But when you're trying to take some of these small pieces apart, you definitely need a Lego lifter. Alright, and Declan's back with some sort of creation. What do you got there?
I renamed the boat.
Okay, you renamed the boat.
And now it's like this, but it still can't. Oh! Guys, do you see it? It can fit one Lego character.
Well, a Lego guy can fit inside there.
Now I renamed it where it can be a hole that it can hold a Lego kit.
Excellent name.
But it's a flying one. It can also fly. It's a flying
A
boat.
flying boat. Very futuristic. Alright guys,
Okay.
so that was the Lego Creator
The
Series.
Lego.
The Lego.
Lego.
The Lego Creator Series.
And we have another one, so.
So we do have another one we're going to do, and it'll be
stay
a 3-part
tuned
series.
for it.
Yep. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button so you can get the notifications every time we put out a new video.
Yes, please.
Until then, we'll see you tomorrow with another Lego kid.
And
Peace.
Stare by stare. Legos.
Stair Legos.
Keep on building.
Keep on building.